video we'll talk about comparison operator. It just compares the values and gives the output, boolean output, either true or as false. Let's see these comparison operators one by one. We'll take straight away print statement. Here I'm taking value, say 10, okay, double equals 10, save it, run it. Okay, now here you can see we have a boolean type value that is true. Okay, see 10, when I say only single equals to, this is assignment operator. We'll see that in our next or upcoming videos. When I say double equals to, this comparison, this is a comparison operator. It compares left hand side with the right hand side. So both are equal, hence the output is true. What if I increase this by 10? Okay, is 10 equals to 11? Of course not, then its value is false. Okay, so let's revert this, save it, run it. Now it is true. This is fine. This is equals. Now let's see, for the same value 10, there is one more comparison operator that is not equals to 10. Is 10 not equals to 10? Which is false, because 10 is equals to 10 and both are equals, but the operator it is not equals to, then obviously value is false. What if I increase the value by 1 and say it is true? Because of course 10 is not equals to 11. 10 is equals to 10. That's why first statement is true. Second statement is not equals, which is also true, because 10 is 10, not 11. Okay, we'll revert this, 7. Okay, print, take here 10 is greater than 10. Is 10 is greater than 10? No, this 10 is equals to 10 but is not greater than 10. Okay, hence the value or the output of the line number 3 is false, just like here. Okay, you have seen this. We have one more additional OR condition. 10 is greater than or equals to 10. Either one of them should be satisfied to get the value as true. So 10 is not greater than 10, that is for sure, but it is equals to 10. Okay, so this is one of the comparison operator where we can check both two conditions, OR conditions. Okay, that is greater than or equals to. Okay, we'll run this. Here you can see this is true. Okay, in the same fashion we have lesser than. Okay, 10 is lesser than 10. Clear the screen and check it. This is false. So 10 is not even greater or not even lesser, it is only equals to. So we have one more variant just like the greater than, that is 10 is less than or equals to 10. This is not less than for sure, but it is equals to 10. So this kind of operator should give us true value. Here it is true. So this is about the comparison operator. In the next video we'll see other kind of operators available in Python. Thanks for watching.